The best way to learn app development is through making one, and that is exactly what we're gonna do in this course. Throughout this course, we're gonna build professional English dictionary app from scratch, and not something for just learning with a sloppy user interface. Now, without further ado, let's jump to the app. So this is the app. We have a search history, and when we try to search a word, we get the suggestions. And in the next activity, we have definition, synonyms, antonyms, and example. And don't forget this pronunciation button.
Keep.
And in the settings menu, we can always clear the history. Now wait, that's not all this app can do. For example, if we are reading something on other app and don't know the meaning of a word, we can simply just share the word with this app and it will show the meaning of that word. How about that? And we are going to build all of this from scratch in this course. If you are someone who knows the basics of Android app development and wants to hone your skills furthermore, then this is the perfect project for you. Now, before you take this course, you should know the basics of Java programming and the basics of Android app development. By basics, I mean you should at least know your way around Android Studio. If you are totally new to Android app development, then it will be little hard for you to follow this course. So I would recommend you to learn at least the basics. I have provided the project files in each section of this course, so it will be more convenient to you. I hope you are ready to join me in this course.